Hello, this is Remya
and Akash.
Welcome back to our kitchen. Today we are making a healthy smoothie.
It's apple banana smoothie. Let's make the smoothie. Let's look at the ingredients. We need 1 apple, half a banana, 5 dates, 1 cup of milk, and half a cup of water. We chopped the fruits and we didn't peel off the apple's skin. Let's add the ingredients. First, the dates, then the bananas, and finally the apples. Now we need to add half cup of water, 1 cup of milk, and let's grind it. I'm using whole milk. You can use non-fat milk or 2% reduced fat milk. Our apple banana smoothie is ready. It looks so good and delicious. I hope everybody liked our video. The smoothie is very delicious and it's great for any time of the day. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, and bye.